Don't be afraid to reach out to new people. A lot of us, we are thinking that, okay, maybe a new person might not take us in a positive manner, might not agree with what we have to say, might not be able to take us as we want to share the information in the same manner. I get it. I completely understand. Some people might think on those lines. I get it. But what we need to understand is, but what people need to understand right now is most of the results, most of the results are going to come in your life only because you talk to new people. When you talk to new people, you get those results going for you. You create those kind of opportunities for yourself. This is what I say to people on a repeated basis. Okay, repeated basis. New people will get you those results. When you connect with new people, you would be able to make out and create those opportunities for you. That's not going to happen if you try to focus on your friends, your relatives, your known ones to get those results for you. No, absolutely not. You need to be there in front of new people. I mean, I won't even say more about this topic. I'll just give you a very simple example. 90% of you had no idea about who Rahul Bhatnagar was 18 months back. That's it. It's as simple as that. All of you were new people to me. Some of you who are a part of our program since the past 2 years, before enrolling to the program, 1 year back, probably from that year, maybe in 2017, you had no idea about who I was. All the people who are here are new, absolutely new to me, and I'm new to you. Do you agree? Simple. I don't think that I want to say to you, and I want to elaborate it even further with the number of yeses that we are getting over here in front of me. That's the thing. Don't be afraid of reaching out to new people, because a new person is going to get you those results, is going to create those opportunities, is going to be there in front of you. That's the thing. नए हो लेकिन पुराने जैसे हो. वाह, बात तो दिल को छू गई भाई साहब. So don't be afraid of reaching out to new people, because if you would be afraid of reaching out to new people, you would never be able to get new transactions going for you. And then you create those results and you get in touch with people who are actually going to take those actions. That's the thing. And that is how you would be able to make the most out of it. And that is how you get ahead. How you get ahead.